There's something strange about packing a place you once dreamed of. Our first home together. Every box makes it feel like a chapter's ending. But also, like we're ready for what's next. Lately, I've been having this feeling I can't shake. Like I'm getting comfortable. And while comfortable is nice, it doesn't ask anything of you. Growth does. So we bought a house, and inside it, creating my own video studio to offer a variety of services and just open up a whole new world of possibilities for us as a whole. Could have waited for the perfect moment, but perfect moments don't build studios. So we set a date and started looking for houses.
On va voir des maisons.
Salut!
C'est Antoine, ça c'est Saham, puis on a déjà dit allô.
Parce que je filmais pas.
So here we are. And as I am 2 weeks away from my first reservation, been so focused on moving that I have not started. And this needs to be ready. I should get started.
J'étais excited!
Some nights, I wondered if I took on too much.
We all don't want to fall. We all don't want to fight. But the way you set the tone made a grown man lose his mind. Lights will guide, but lights won't turn things round. You'll keep on spiraling down. So put your thoughts into motion. don't want to fall. We all don't want to fight. But the way you set the tone made a grown man lose his mind. Faded, lost in his reflection that he can't face. A memory that won't seem to fade. The weight of attraction. Lights will guide, but lights won't turn things round. You'll keep on spiraling down. So put your thoughts into motion.
What a week. We're just under 3 days left. An electrician came to hook up some plugs in the ceiling to rig up some lights. I just got some poles for those lights and a bit more cool equipment that I got for the studio. But we're renovating the bathroom right now, so this has set me back a bit. And for the first time, I am unsure that I'm gonna make it. Oh, and I need to find and organize my stuff in this mess. So right now there's only a few hours left to the recording and there's still no equipment plugged in. So I think the plan of action is to start on this side and then finish off in the music studio so that at least everything's set up in the recording side. Okay, countdown timer. Let's get to it. Sometimes growth shows up before you feel ready.